It's Monday and welcome back to the Daily Blizzard for your daily dose of snowboard stuff. Well, you all know the I-80, and if you don't, you should, because it's one of the most iconic snowboarding spots. So what we have here on EpicTV at the moment is a kind of a brief history on the whole spot, and this includes Shaun Palmer and Jeremy Jones. Here's a little section from it. And speaking of Jeremy Jones, here's a little bit of a POV section from him doing a little descent in Alaska. 3 hours to hike it for 2 minutes going down. Hectic.
Dropping.
And this weekend, one of the oldest snowboard events in Europe happens, and it is the Champs, held in Leysin in Switzerland. And this year it's a whole new different concept where they're going to send off a bunch of teams to film all this week, and on Saturday they're going to have a film off. And you got Method Mag versus the Finnish crew of KPR. We'll keep you all informed of what's going down over there.
I'm getting high, I'm feeling low. With my fucked up brains, I'm ready to roll. I'm in disguise, running down the street, and if I fall, I get down on my feet.
So that's it for the Daily Blizzard. If you want to know more about the Champs, go to www.thechampsopen.ch. See you all tomorrow.